It's a big day here for us at Willow Oaks Country Club. Here we are on the 7th hole, looking at final preparation for number 7. Final preparation has already been conducted on 7 green, is getting ready to be done on 7 tees. And as we pan around, you'll see 4 tees and 4 fairway are done with lime, ready to go for sod. And it's always a good day when you start putting grass back on the golf course. 5 months into the project, here we are on coming up towards 4 green. And you see the bunker surround sod, which is your celebration grass going down. Outside of that, we have the tip sport, which is going to be your primary fairway and rough grass. And we also have the rolls of fescue that we're going to use to do the creek banks, lake banks, and outer roughs. Probably 2 days per hole, and hopefully in about 45 days we'll be done. I always like to have a place to miss and a place to, if you've hit a really bad drive, a place to go to that's not the green that you might be able to recover from. Right. Not necessarily every hole.
Right, but then you've got other options.
But I mean, you can miss this green left and recover. It's hard to get up and down from those and recover.
You're not going to be able to do that.
But that area right in there will all be shaved fairway. Between those bunkers, all the way out there and all the way around there, that'll be a
even beyond this bunker here, area. Though it will be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that ridge? The mowing pattern will go right up around that pallet and come right around that bunker and right in and come around the collar. So if I miss it right here, I can putt. See how soft that is now?
Right. And you're right, from this angle here.
I mean, all of that's pinnable. It just
do something completely wrong.